Okay, so when we talk about mediation, this is the definition. I have it up there on the slide in Canvas. It refers to a situation when the relationship between the predictor variable and the outcome variable can be explained by their relationship to the third variable. All right, so it's a little bit different from moderation, because in this case it's the predictor variable and the outcome variable that have a relationship with that third variable. So let's just have a look here, and Andy uses this example. So here we've got a simple relationship. We've got your predictor variable, and then you've got an outcome. And mediation is saying, okay, the predictor variable has a relationship with the mediator variable. And that relationship with the mediator variable, then that mediator variable has a relationship with the outcome variable. All right, and so this mediator has an influence on the predictor, and it also has an influence on the outcome. So that's the third variable that that previous definition was talking about. And so when you include the mediator in your prediction equation, it's going to affect the outcome. It's going to have a direct effect on the outcome. All right. So again, the mediation statistical model is when your predictor variable has a relationship with the mediator and your outcome variable has a relationship with the mediator. And then this influences the outcome when it's included in your prediction.